Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete KuCoin account. So if you also want to delete KuCoin account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open KuCoin application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, I've already opened KuCoin application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At home interface, you'll be able to see several options. KuCoin is a crypto trading platform where you can buy and sell cryptos. You can also enjoy other features over here. But due to some reason, if you want to delete KuCoin account, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to see your UID. Underneath it, you'll be able to see several options. You'll be able to find the option for referral program, history, fees and VIP, security, etc. In order to delete your account, all you have to do is tap on the security option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the security interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several security options. You'll be able to find the option for login password, trading password, phone, email, etc. What you have to do is find the option for delete account. Once you find the option for delete account, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read this information very carefully. Once you delete your account, all data in your account will be deleted. All APIs in your account will be deleted. Also, you will no longer be able to log in, deposit, withdraw or trade with your account. All trading history in your account will also be deleted. Also read additional information over here. Accounts cannot be merged after deletion. Make sure you delete the deposit address of this account from your wallets to avoid asset losses. Before deleting the account, make sure you have withdrawn all your assets, otherwise you will be deemed to have abandoned all remaining assets in your account. After reading all this information, simply tap on the option I fully understand and accept the consequences. After that, at bottom, delete account option will be activated. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to select the reason. Simply tap on the reason of your choice. Now simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Read this information very carefully. Now tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to another interface. Unfortunately, due to privacy reason, this interface cannot be recorded, but I'll tell you what to do. In this interface, what you have to do is enter the trading password, email verification code and 2FA code. First of all, enter trading password. Now enter the email verification code. A code will be sent to your email. Simply tap on the send option. Now go to the Gmail application. You can see over here KuCoin has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see the verification code over here. Go back to KuCoin application. Enter that verification code over here. Now also enter the 2FA code. You can enter this code from Google Authenticator. After you complete the security verification, simply tap on the confirm option that you'll be able to see on your screen. Now you can see over here your account has been deleted. So that is how you delete KuCoin account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.